What's up guys, we have a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL that's sitting right behind me. If you guys would like to know how you can own this Jeep, stay tuned for the end of the video because that information will be right there. But for now, we're gonna go over the build and what we did to this Jeep, so let's take a look. Hey guys, to start off the build of this Mojito Green Jeep Wrangler JL, we're going to go over the wheel and tire package. The wheel is going to be a 22x12 fuel Contra. A 22x12 fuel Contra. The Contra is a concave look with a 10-spoke design, with the finish being gloss black and milled. Your millings are going to be on the outside of the spokes, and it's going to give you a nice clean look. With a negative 44 offset on this wheel, it's going to push the wheel out from the Jeep just a little bit and give it a nice aggressive look. The tire is going to be a Nitto Ridge Grappler. The size is a 35 1250 R22. This one is a great hybrid tire, which means it's going to be great off-road and going to be give you a nice quiet on-road experience. So you're not going to give all that but up while you're going down the road. So the next thing we're going to go over is the rough country suspension kit that we put on it. It's going to be a 2.5-inch lift. This is going to give us plenty of room to put a bigger wheel and tire package. We actually could have put 37-inch tires on this with this lift kit, but we decided to keep it with a 35, which gives it a nice aggressive look, but not also going to give you any possibilities of rubbing or anything like that. If you guys like this Jeep, check it out on our Facebook at ChristAuto.com or send us a message on Facebook. But if you want to build your Jeep like this, send us a message on Facebook at Christ Customs, and we can't wait to get you started.